Hello, Hanson Huskies. This is Mrs. Paget. Hope you're doing well today. This video is for my first period language arts class. Okay, so if you are in period 2, you don't need to be watching this. See you later, period 2. All right, for my period 1 kids, today we're going to look at a worksheet that's going to give us some practice using capital letters when dealing with quotes. We're going to take a look at that together right now. Let me open that up for you. Okay, so in class we have learned that dialogue is conversation between 2 or more people inside a text. And how do we know when people are speaking? When we're reading stories, the author uses quotation marks. We also know that when the character in the story begins to speak, that's a whole new sentence, and the sentence has to begin with a capital letter. We've practiced our little chant in class where we say, comma, quote, capital. Well, that's what this lesson's about. So let's take a look at this worksheet on capitalization. Remember, your directions are here in the gray box, just like we've seen in class all year. Let's read it together. Quotation marks are used to set off a speaker's exact words. The first word within the quotation marks is capitalized. And now we have an example here. Let's meet on the practice field, said Coach Smith. Who's speaking here? Coach Smith. How do we know what words are coming out of his mouth? We've got that sentence that's contained within the quotation marks. And if you notice, the L is bold print because we want you to take notice that that is a capital letter beginning the coach's quote. So your job today for me is going to be rewriting the sentences. Use correct capitalization. And you can either print out this paper. If you have access to a printer at home, that's great. That's what we prefer. Not everybody does though. That's okay. You've got your notebook paper. You're just going to write capitalization at the top, put your name at the top, and number 1, rewrite the sentence correctly for me. Once you've done that, have your parents snap a picture of it with a cell phone and send it off to me through Class Dojo or through email. That's how I'm going to check your work, okay? All right, my friends, have fun, do your best. Please do your best printing. A lot of you, I've noticed, your handwriting, I don't know what happened to it. When you went home, you lost your skills for neatness. Make sure you're doing the best quality of work. I need to be able to read what you're writing. So do your best, form those letters correctly, make them rest on the line, and just do your best always. All right, take care, guys.